Hi, this is Maggie from Crafts the Charm. Welcome to a 2-minute technique. Today's technique is the blanket stitch. The blanket stitch is a stitch that you often see as a border between two pieces of fabric. So to do this stitch, you'll need 1 or 2 pieces of fabric, an embroidery needle, and either thread, embroidery floss, or yarn, like I'm using here. Now I have 2 contrasting colors of felt here, and I've drawn a line with pencil on the inner piece of felt. That's where our stitches are going to end. I'm going to refer to the brown piece of felt outside the border of the pink piece as the outside, and the pink piece of felt as the inside. To start a blanket stitch, you're going to come up from underneath and come out on the outside piece, just on the border of your inside piece. You're then going to insert the needle 1 stitch length over on the inside piece. So I'm going to insert on my pencil line. Do not pull the thread all the way through. Leave a loop. Now you're going to come up on the outside directly over where you went down on the inside, and you're going to come up through that loop. This is how you get that border effect. Now I like to tighten it a little bit by pulling to the left and to the right a couple of times. Now if you're bordering something which has edges like these rectangles, you're going to come to a corner. At the corner, go down so that you are inserting the needle your stitch length from both sides. So from the side where you're stitching and the side where you're going to be stitching. Insert there, come up on the side you're stitching, insert in the same place again, come up on the outside at the corner, and insert one more time into that same place on the inside, and come up on the new side that you're going to be stitching. Then you can continue stitching on the new side. The blanket stitch can make a really lovely border, particularly for primitive or rustic style crafts. Here I've used the blanket stitch on a few different tree ornaments that I've made in the past. Happy crafting!